Hello everybody, welcome to another video for the counter in TIA Portal application. So, previous video we have discussed how to make the ladder. Today we will not repeat that one. So today we will discuss how we can configure that ladder in HMI and we can give the input from the HMI. So this one application will look like this one, something like this is the HMI. This will be the HMI screen, and we will give the preset value here, and that each event, I mean when I press this one, it will implement 1, 2, 3 like this, and when it will reach this one up to 5, then this motor status will be on. So how we make this one, we'll learn in this today's video. So first of all, we'll open this TIA Portal software. First we have to configure the HMI, which HMI which we will use. We have to select this one. Now this HMI screen, it will appear. The screen area is bigger, that's why you have to resize the screen by tuning this one as 70%. Now you can delete some unwanted tags from here on the screen. Now for the label, I mean for giving any text, so we can select resize this one by changing the font size from there. So now we need for making the counter operation, we need some buttons. So select from here and drag up to the down. So you have to give some text name here. You can change the text name like counter. Write it as counter up. You can resize the text size for this one also. For reset the counter, you can give some text like reset counter up. the counter input take text input from here also by selecting this one. So maybe copy paste and create another text. And just when making drag and drop. So you can adjust the text. So you can, from the graphics, you can select the symbol for the motor or any image from here in the graphics folder. So now we can put the motor here, resize this one. This circle is for the status. I can show the status of the motor by its color, like for stop condition red color can be given, and for the start condition green color can be given. So for the animation, selecting this one, dynamic color separation, and for the PLC tags, we can select from here the counter status for this one, and give some color indication. So for the range 0, I am selecting this red option. So when the motor will be off, the color will be showing red, and when the motor will be on, the color will show green. So for the counter up, that means when I will press this counter up, so I have to select for the press event set bit, and I have to give the tag input from the PLC tags, default tag table. This is for counter on. I am pressing this one, then I will select the counter on option. And for the release also I have to select reset bit, and from the tag I have to again select this counter on. So counter up is done, then I have to go for the reset counter option. Same way like the counter up, I have to select for this one, I have to select first set bit, reset bit, and from the place also just select that one reset bit. Now for this preset value, I have to select the tag for this one. This one is the PV, that means counter PV I have to select. And for the next one, and this for the PV, as it is input, so I have to select input. And for this counting value CV, this will be counter CV, and this one will be changed as output. So then I have to save this one project. Then again I have to simulate this one. Now this HMI screen is appearing. So here it's showing this preset value and counting value both are 0. So you can give some preset value like 5 for example. So when you press counter up, it will increment 1, second time 2, third time 4, and when it reaches 5, then my motor status is green, that means on. If I change this one like 10, again I have to reset the value 0, then pressing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the status is changed, that means the counter status is now 1 from 0. So this is the application for the counter, up counter especially. So similar in the same way you can make for down counter also. It will count from 10 to 9, 8, 7, 6 like this for down counter, and another application for up down counter also, both up counter and down counter both in the same application like this we can do. So thanks for watching.